coming over?
Chris? Remember we talked about this? I dated him for a little bit in college.
College boyfriend.
No, he wasn't a boyfriend. It was just like a college fling. And I just feel really bad because Samantha said he's been having a really tough time since he lost his girlfriend.
What happened there?
Samantha said that she just disappeared. That's probably him.
So you got a nice place here, huh? So how long have you two been together?
2 years. We got married last fall.
How long have you had the hiccups?
3 days. Tried everything. I tried drinking from the other side of the glass, and peanut butter, and holding my breath. Nothing works.
Poor guy. We tried everything. He goes to the doctor tomorrow. So how have you been? I was really sad to hear about Amber.
This drink is terrible. Why do you hate me so much? What makes you think this is a good idea?
Hey,
Shut the fuck up.
watch your mouth.
What is
Fuck
your
you.
problem?
Hey,
Piece of shit
Dude,
disposition, you
Dude.
What is your
motherfuckers.
problem?
dude,
Fucking
stop,
interruption.
man. Stop.
Stop it!
Look.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to hold him.
Stop it! No!
What are you guys, 12?
No! No!
Get the hell out of my house.
Spencer, just got one more question to ask you.
What?
How are your hiccups?
Did you do all of that to cure his hiccups? Get the fuck out of my house.
Worth it.
I can't believe that.
I like him. What? He cured my hiccups. We can cancel a doctor's appointment tomorrow. He cured my hiccups.